Check it out, folks. This is what people used to type on. There's no electricity. It's a manual typewriter. This is an Olympia brand. This was the one that my mother bought to use when I was in elementary school, and she just essentially gave it to me when I was in about 6th grade, and I used it all through high school. And it's a great device. This thing here holds up the piece of paper, and I used to make carbon copies of what I wrote. So here you have, show you what that's about. This is the regular sheet of paper. I wrote on it, typed on it earlier. Typing on the Olympia Typewriter by Fred Weems. Here's the piece of carbon paper I put under it, and under that, another piece of paper, and you'll see that says Typing on the Olympia Typewriter by Fred Weems. It copied onto this. Now, if I want to make copies, I'll just make Xeroxes, or take pictures of them and stick them on my computer. But I don't have to worry about all the irksome things that come up with computers when I use this manual typewriter. And let me just put this down a second and insert the piece of paper. Oh-do-de-oh-do. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. And I can do paragraphing by hitting that thing. There it is. See, it's already indented. I hit the tab space. This is how far apart keys used to be. None of this squishing together and hitting the wrong key all the time, which is what happens to me on the typewriter, on the computer. This is how far apart the keys were meant to be. They were designed for typewriters. A computer keyboard merely replicates that, and the keys are too close together these days. But anyway, no electricity for this, so you can really take it anywhere and use it. If you don't want to make too much noise, put a little newspaper or something on under it, and it won't clack as much. But what a great noise it makes. I'm going to type the phrase, what a great noise it makes. I wish I could demonstrate. Here we go. Put this under my chin. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Ah. Typing away. Let's make that a capital T. Typing away. All right. Anyway, see, it says typing away. And underneath, what does the card say? Typing away. Typing away. Anyway, that is a beautiful typewriter.